Welcome to the Nomad Love and Community Podcast, episode 37. I'm Sophia Chen with James Mitchell. Today we're tackling the 3-minute signature anchor, a portable confidence kit, so you can build stronger relationships and community while living the nomad life. Picture this. You step into a busy co-working cafe, laptop bag on one shoulder, coffee in hand, and for the 100th time this month, you scan the room, wondering if you'll end up working alone again. That small loneliness hits differently when you're in a new city, right?
I feel that. But I see the same scene as a field of tiny opportunities. One good micro-interaction can turn a solo afternoon into a week of meetups. That's exactly why the 3-minute signature anchor exists. Fast, portable, low pressure.
Quick promise. In 1 week, you'll pick an anchor item that feels authentic, practice a 90-second pre-scene reset that boosts presence, and use a 3-line script to start 5 micro-conversations. By the end of the week, you'll have real local contacts and 2 follow-up templates to keep things moving.
Let's define the signature anchor clearly. It's 3 parts: a physical object that reflects you, a tiny habit you do before entering a social space, and a short conversational script that feels safe for both sides. Simple, repeatable, low friction.
Okay, real nomad scenario. We're role-playing. I arrive at a sunlit co-working room. The smell of espresso, soft keyboard taps, someone playing indie guitar in the corner. I've chosen a worn leather notebook with a bright sticker as my anchor. It catches a few glances. James, what do you see me doing right away?
You take a 90-second reset at the door. 2 slow breaths, straighten your shoulders, smooth your hair or shirt, and apply a tiny spray of your portable cologne if you use one. That short routine adjusts your energy from stressed traveler to someone curious and open.
Yes, and that 90-second reset is our first practical strategy. Habit number 1, the energy reset. It's breath for calm, posture for presence, and a tiny grooming touch for polish. For women, a quick lip balm, a hair tuck, or a subtle glint of mascara can feel like armor without being overdone. For men, forehead to chin check in a compact mirror, a brush through the beard, or a subtle scent swipe raises confidence instantly.
I always say, presence beats perfection. The reset isn't about becoming flawless. It's about choosing how you show up. Build the habit. Become the person who notices their own energy before they walk into a room. Simple daily repetition makes it automatic.
Strategy 2. Appearance. The portable polish and the anchor item. Choose one small, high-return item that invites conversation without screaming for attention. We recommend conservative defaults: a unique pen, a colorful scarf, a compact cologne, a leather notebook, or a meaningful pin. Don't pick something trendy just to impress. Pick something that has a genuine line you can tell about it.
For men, a quick groom kit can live in your bag. Comb, mini deodorant, and a cloth to polish shoes or watch. For women, a tiny mirror, a hair tie, and a multi-purpose balm. The key is portability and authenticity. Your anchor should feel like a natural extension of your style, not a prop.
Now, the third strategy, the communication framework. We keep it 3 lines. 1, a small observation or compliment about the anchor. 2, a curiosity question that invites sharing. And 3, a low-pressure micro-invite. Example for mixed groups: I love that notebook. The sticker's awesome. Is it from around here? I'm trying to find local spots to work. Any favorites? That lets them contribute without pressure.
For a same-gender approach, make it situational and consent-forward. That scarf caught my eye. It looks incredible on you. Mind if I ask where you found it? If the person seems engaged, follow with a micro-invite. I'm grabbing a coffee after this. Would you like to join? No worries if you're busy. Small, reversible, respectful.
Let's show a live micro-interaction. I open my notebook at a table near 2 people. I smile, glance up, and say, "Excuse me, that sticker on my notebook always starts conversations. Do you collect stickers, or is that just me?" A light joke can break the ice and invite a story.
They laugh, say they travel for work, and love local markets for stickers. You ask a curiosity question, exchange one tip, and then offer a low-pressure follow-up. Hey, I'm heading to a casual meetup this Thursday for remote workers. If you're around, it'd be cool to trade more sticker sources. That's it. Small, specific, optional.
2 common rollout mistakes to avoid. First, the anchor feels gimmicky. Fix this by choosing an item tied to your actual story. If you don't actually collect scarves, don't pretend to. Second, coming on too strong with invites that assume intimacy. Fix this by keeping invites specific and reversible. A coffee, a meetup, or a quick exchange of recommendations.
And one more piece of practical troubleshooting: cultural sensitivity. If you're in a place where direct approaches are uncommon, use your anchor for passive signals. Sit where others are friendly. Let the item catch natural comments, and lean on open body language instead of verbal invites until you read the room.
1 week action step. A short checklist to get you started. 1. Choose your anchor item that tells a tiny piece of your story. 2. Practice the 90-second energy reset 5 times as you enter public workspaces. 3. Do 5 micro interactions using the 3-line script. 4. Use 2 follow-up templates, a casual coffee invite and a group meetup invite. 5. Log outcomes briefly: who, what, and next step.
If you want support, we run a 7-day anchor challenge with templates, daily prompts, and a small accountability group to practice safely. It's tailored to nomads who want low-pressure community building. Join to get swipeable scripts, follow-up messages, and a starter checklist.
That's our practical advice for today. Building strong connections is part of building a successful nomad life. Small daily habits create magnetic presence. Optimize yourself. Connect deeper. Live freer.